Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can scrape email addresses with ChatGPT. So first of all, I just write down to ChatGPT, give me a similar Instagram hashtags to social media marketing, and now they've given me some of the hashtags, which now I can go ahead and copy and use for igleads.io. So this is the tool which lets you scrape like 1,000 emails or so. So now the pricing would be, for example, for a starter plan, would be a 10,000 emails per month. That would be $60 per month. You will get Instagram scraper, which we would want to use today, and some many more like Twitter, TikTok, Google, and so on and so forth, B2B. Now, if you would pay 150, then you would have unlimited emails per month for all of the platforms, and also you would get high-speed scraping, homeowner scraper, off-market deal scraper, and automated scraping bot. So that's the plans. Now, the Instagram scraper works like so. You basically just choose it, enter this hashtag we just copied, and then you just generate 1,000 emails. Now, it looks something like so. You basically click scrape Instagram, enter the hashtag, enter the amount of how many emails you want, for example, 1,000, click on search, and then it will generate. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can scrape email addresses with ChatGPT and igleads.io. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.